Warm greetings to everyone. We are Team TechPandavas. So let us start with our presentation. Next slide. So based on the problem statement provided by the company wants to do an analysis of app and what it needs to improve it. Mind map the top 10 features you would want in the app for electric scooter and explain which are the top 5 features which would be most useful and why. So the mind map which we have drawn displays the top 10 features that we wish would be in the app. And I would like to explain the top 5 most useful features. First one would be real-time battery health observation. It is a game changer as anyone can track its battery's real health constantly. Complete issue tracker with live status resolves a major post-sale frustration by informing users about their active service requests. Users located in distant urban areas throughout tier 2 or 3 cities usually encounter the problems finding service centers. So it can be immediately solved by reaching them out as early as possible. Preventive care is more beneficial than reactive repair. Analyzing this, the platform alerts users on time to prevent equipment failures and users appreciate this treatment. Last one would be security system, which gives us locking and unlocking with anti-theft notifications, enabling the owners to feel more comfortable with scooter ownership. Next slide. So customers have complained about and write the test scenarios you would like to test and ensure they have been fixed. So the first issue that all customer faces is battery draining too fast. So the possible causes that we analyzed is inaccurate battery calibration, overheating, or firmware. The test scenarios with which we across check these scenarios is check battery percentage drops after standard ride distance, test performance in extreme temperatures, and run investigations using diagnostic tools following software update procedures to check power control functions. The second issue that we analyze is app not showing real-time location of scooters. The potential reason for this problem would be weak GPS signal or sensor faults, pattern delays in fetching location data, app permissions not set correctly. The test scenarios this stimulates the ride in low and high GPS coverage areas. We did the test across various internet speeds and we verified app permissions and fallbacks alerts if GPS is off. Next slide.
Third, uses of inside and outside in techniques of releasing a product to market and list to top 5 things we would like to inside out planning to release the new app or web to the market and outside in the planning for releasing the new app web. First is top 5 things we should focus on inside out planning. So first is elegant the app web goal, involved cross terms, test the app in house, train support staff, prepare backend system. So first of all, with the eco-friendly brand values, the DevOps would be useful for us, and support training for a team would be would be more easy for customer queries. The second point is outside in planning. Top 5 things we were thinking by the customer's perspective are understand top users problem, especially battery serving and app clarity, design clean UI, simple, interactive, and accessible. Third is create a lunch bunch, short videos, reels, and snack peaks of build curiosity, collects real time data, ensures it ensures post learn. Second, आवाज येते का रे? माझाच रिपीट होते परत. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So fourth is based on the list of top 10 features you have selected, do a relative priority exercise to mark them from P1 by P2 and then from 1 to 10 and explain what they have decided those priorities. So first is so there are basically there are 4 columns. First is priority, rank, key features, reason, and why is this priority. So our first priority is live battery monitoring. Second is complaint tracker. Third is service locator. Fourth is push servicing. Fifth is anti-theft alerts. And 6 to 10 are extra like rewards, OTA updates, eco scores, etc. So, so first priority, the reason is measure user issues, boost trust, builds transparency and trust, crucial for tier 2 by 3 cities, prevents breakdowns at urban securities, good to have but not urgent to core issues. Next slide. Next slide. Oh, sorry.
Um, Use the product solutioning concept and create a mind map for a new version of the vehicle, explaining the goals, features, UX changes, and UI changes, if any you want to target in the scope. For the new version of the Green World electric scooter, we focus on the four main areas: goals, features, UI, and UX changes. Goals are to improve post-sale experience, build user trust, reduce battery complaints, boost app engagement, and promote eco-conscious riding. Second would be key features. In Key features include a smart battery with real-time health updates, GPS-based service alerts, prevention with remote lock, eco-friendly CO2 dashboard, and OTA updates. Third, UI changes are a clean card-based layout, dark light mode toggle, label icons for clarity, and quick access in bottom menu. And last would be UX changes. Include faster app loading, one tap help chat, easy to read battery states with color indicators, and onboarding walkthrough after updates and users' feedback during the actions. Next, see, the company is collecting the data in the cloud already but have had performance issues to update. Collect the data and update the app. What can be the reason for that, and what would need to be improved for the data integration from the vehicle to cloud and to send the data post analysis to the app. So in this, the main reasons for performance issues are slow data transfer due to weak networks and large sensor data, slow cloud processing from server overload or low storage, and slow data push to app due to backend delay and poor data queues. To improve, we should compress and batch upload data, scale cloud servers with auto scaling and load balancing, use real-time data processing tools like Kafka, and push data faster to app using web sockets and battery better caching. These steps will ensure the smooth and fast data flow. Next,
What are the business and operational metrics to measure performance for the new version of the vehicle? To measure the performance of the new version of the vehicle, we focus both on business and operational metrics. For business metrics, we look at the factors like revenue per unit, profit margins, total revenue growth, customer lifetime value, and market share. These help us to understand the financial health, customer retention, and our market impact. For operational metrics, we focus on efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction, including production lead time, quality defect rates, on time delivery, return and repair rates, battery performance, and inventory turnover. These operational metrics helps to ensure that we deliver high quality vehicles effectively, keeping customers happy and loyal. What do you think are the business metrics which are being used by company to decide what to focus on for improvement changes? What engineering metrics and measurements do you think we should uh, be looked at considering the complaints from customers? Do also give the reasons for the metrics and measurements you have selected. Now, considering the customer complaints and areas for improvement, certain business metrics are particularly important. CSAT and NPS scores to measure customer happiness, return and repair rates to spot the product issues, customer retention rates, revenue per customer, and the the cost of quality, which shows inefficiencies. On the engineering side, we should focus on battery life and efficiency, app and vehicle performance, sensor accuracy, defect and reliability rates, and service response time. By tracking these metrics, we can better address customer issues, improve the overall experience, and maintain a competitive edge. That was all from our side. Thank you.